On today's video, we're going to install new lights in my wife's salon. Let's get started. All right. We'll get you. She wanted lights, so we'll see what she thinks.
Okay.
I did a different setup. Just turn it on.
Ooh, it looks so much better. Did you already?
All right, guys. So I searched through Amazon, and I think I found the perfect salon lights. This brand is called Sunco Lighting. Oh yeah. And this is a 4-pack. Right now, we have these lights, which they're not that bad, but we didn't know exactly how bright we wanted it. So we just have 2 of those right now. They do a decent job, but she definitely wants it brighter in here. So we'll check out these new ones from Amazon. These are actually a 600K LED daylight, so they should be way brighter. We'll do an unboxing, show you what they look like and everything. Then I'll take the old lights down, we'll put the new lights up and see the difference. Kind of do a review, install at the same time. All right, let's unbox. All right, we'll do an unboxing, but I'll speed it up. Oh yeah, so here it is once you just get it out of the big box. Sunco Lighting. These are the wraparound shop lights, LED. Wow, they're actually 8,500 lumens, 72 watts, 6,000K daylight deluxe. Cool. Lifespan's good, 50,000 hours, and all that. Cool, I got 4 of them to replace these 2. They're 4 foot long. And this looks like what comes in the box. You get 1 lamp, you get all the bolts, wire nuts, screws, wall anchors or ceiling anchors, end caps, linkage cables, all that. So these, you should be able to only wire 1 into your main power and then you can link the rest together. Shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. These right here will probably be harder to take down, but heck, check it out. Always remember when working on electrical to turn your breaker off, turn the power off. I'm not a master electrician or anything, but that's common sense. Also, I'm gonna have to open all the windows because all the lights will be off. So it's gonna look a little different. Shouldn't look that bad though. Oh yeah, cool. Give me enough to work with at least. Go grab the tools I need and start tearing it down. I'll just go ahead and time lapse me taking them down. There's no point in explaining it. Basically, I'm just gonna unbolt it all and unwire it. That's it, drop it down. Cool, let's time lapse this bad boy. All right, cool. First light is down. There's the wires, positive, negative, and ground. And this was the old light. Pretty cool. Actually, it wasn't bulbs. It's like an LED type light. But hopefully the new ones will be better. We'll go ahead and knock the other side down and continue on. Alright, so here's one of the new ones. I already took the cover off, but check it out. It has 4 LED bulbs in it. Man, that's just one of those, and I have 3 more over there. This should definitely be brighter. Alright, and it just came with the nuts, bolts, and screws. Sorry for the low light, but I mean, I don't have power right now, but I still want to show you. And of course, I'm going to start mounting this one and see what it looks like. I'll go ahead and speed it up and continue on. And I went ahead and changed those regular screws out, well, wood screws, since I have a wood ceiling, and it was way easier. Cool, it's officially mounted to the ceiling. Now I'm going to get the wires, connect them. This one comes with 3 wires, the ground, neutral, and power, and just match them up. They just have it doubled up on here in case I want to add something else, or I can hook that to the other light. Sweet. Alright, got it all wired up. Let's test out the first light. Boom! 1 light down. Not too bad. I want this one over the shampoo bowl. So it's just plenty of light. Not too bad for one. Yeah, I think 4 of these bad boys are gonna do it. What y'all think? Alright, this is with the cover on. Looks pretty fresh. Oh yeah. And what's cool about these is you can plug in and you can keep adding on. So you can hook up to 4 on one main line. But I'm going ahead and mount the second one right here. I want to see what the 2 are like before I start adding more. Shoot, if I only need 2, that's cool, but if not, we can add 4. Awesome. Do the same process on this side. Feed the wires through. Oh, make sure the power's off. Still. Alright. Try to get started on 2 of the bolts, hopefully, to hold it. Got 1, got 2. Just to hold it. If you used the original ones, you could do all 4, but I changed them to wood screws. So they're a little bigger head, so they won't slide on there. Add the other 2. Get it aligned where you want it. Make sure that's a good spot for you. Tack it up. Closes good. Alright, covers on the second one. Boom. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. Think I need 2 more? Might as well. Alright, got the 3rd light installed. This is pretty cool though. So since I already wired the first one into power, all you have to do is add this jumper line, and you don't have to mess with no wiring. You can just keep adding on. I'm just gonna do 2 on this side, then connect one right here, right there. Pretty cool. And one more to go, guys. I know y'all want to see the whole process, so I'm just doing it and then showing you the aftermath. All right, continue on. It's complete. And in case she still wants more light, I could add one more in the center just to make it all the way across. Heck yeah. Check it out. Boom, let there be light. That is freaking awesome. So bright in here now. She should like it. We'll see. I'm gonna actually surprise her here in a second when she gets home. Old. New. Old. New. Well guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give you my final review about the Amazon lights. They're pretty awesome. Definitely pretty easy to install. The cover is kind of hard to get on. If you tighten too tight against the ceiling, it kind of bows it. But other than that, really good product. I mean, look how bright it is now. And then you can actually chain 4 of them up together off of one main power supply. So that's awesome. But like always guys, like, share, comment. It all helps me out. And I'll see you next time. Peace.